The Tollens test is used to distinguish between an aldehyde and ketone. It utilizes Tollens reagent, which consists of a solution of silver nitrate and ammonia, named after discoverer German chemist Bernhard Tollens. A positive test is indicated by precipitation of elemental silver on the inner surface of the reaction vessel. First, a 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution must be prepared. Fill a 150 milliliter beaker with 50 milliliters of deionized water and heat to 95 degrees Celsius. Then obtain 2.002 grams of NaOH. Dissolve the NaOH in water and stir for approximately 8 minutes until dissolution occurs. Now, Tollens reagent needs to be prepared. Fill a 500 milliliter beaker with 100 milliliters of water and heat. Then obtain 1.689 grams of silver nitrate. Dissolve the silver nitrate in a beaker and stir for approximately 3 minutes until dissolution occurs. Add 10 milliliters of 1 molar NaOH to the silver nitrate solution to precipitate silver oxide. Stir for approximately 10 minutes until it is apparent that no more solid is precipitating. Finally, add ammonium hydroxide until the precipitate completely dissolves. This will take approximately 300 milliliters of the substance. Lastly, we must test for the selective oxidation of aldehydes. Obtain 3 20 milliliter glass vials. Fill one vial with 5 milliliters of deionized H2O. This will act as the control. Fill a second vial with 5 milliliters of 29.8% acetone. Fill the third vial with 5 milliliters of 37% formaldehyde. Apply 15 milliliters of Tollens reagent into each vial and stir. For the final step, observe results. It is expected that no reaction will occur in the water and acetone tube, while a silver precipitate should form in the formaldehyde tube, in some occasions coating the tube in a silver reflective film. This is consistent with what we saw in our experiment, with no observable changes in the water and ketone test tubes, but the formation of a silver precipitate in the formaldehyde test tube after a waiting period of approximately 20 minutes. This illustrates the reduction of the silver and the selective oxidation of the aldehyde into a carboxylic acid. Thus, in our experiment, Tollens test and the Tollens reagent to detect the presence of an aldehyde as well as form silver mirror was demonstrated.